Carbon Cub S2, the ultimate RC trainer with real versatility. Priced at $300, the Carbon Cub S2 is one of the most capable and beginner-friendly RC trainer airplanes on the market. Inspired by the iconic Carbon Cub by Cub crafters, this model combines advanced technology with rugged design, perfect for new pilots and seasoned flyers alike. Equipped with safe, sensor-assisted flight envelope technology, it offers multiple flight modes and stability aids, giving new pilots the confidence to learn and progress. In experienced mode, it even allows for aerobatic flying. Panic recovery mode provides instant stabilization at the push of a button, ideal for regaining control in challenging situations. Built with a durable EPO airframe, efficient brushless motor, E-Flight Viper 64mm EDF jet. Power meets precision. At $270, the E-Flight Viper 64mm EDF jet is a sleek, compact iteration of the renowned Viper series, offering thrilling jet performance with sharp fighter jet styling. Designed for intermediate to experienced pilots, it perfectly balances the speed and aerobatic agility of a jet with the stability of a sport airplane. Equipped with a 64mm 11-blade ducted fan and a high-power outrunner motor, paired with a Spectrum Avian 70-amp Smart Light ESC, the Viper delivers robust power running on standard 4S 2,200 to 3,200 mAh batteries. The Bind and Fly Basic version includes AS3X Plus and Safe Select technologies, providing enhanced stability, ideal for first-time EDF pilots. Easy to launch and land, this versatile jet offers a fun, manageable, FMS 90mm Avanti RC jet. Precision and performance for the elite pilot priced at $570. The FMS 90mm Avanti RC jet is a standout sport jet celebrating FMS's 18th anniversary with a striking livery co-designed with Seabart. This officially licensed model boasts meticulously crafted scale details, including realistic flashing navigation lights for enhanced flight visibility. Built for durability, the CNC-machined kneeling metal landing gear features an electronic retract system with stall mode and high-adhesion damping, ensuring smooth and controlled landings. Designed for high-speed aerobatics, the Avanti is ideal for Level 5 pilots who enjoy precision flying and dynamic stunts. Its two-piece fuselage allows for easy transport and maintenance. Whether executing precise maneuvers or thrilling high-speed runs, the Avanti delivers an exhilarating and authentic RC jet experience. E-Flight UMX Me-262, twin 30mm EDF. Big performance in a micro warbird priced at $200, the E-Flight UMX Me-262 is a remarkable ultra-micro replica of the world's first operational jet-powered fighter. Compact, yet powerful, it offers thrilling jet performance with the convenience of a ready-to-fly RTF setup straight out of the box. Powered by twin 30mm EDFs and dual 3S-compatible outrunner motors, the UMX Me-262 delivers impressive speed and agility. It supports 600 to 850 mAh lithium polymer batteries, offering extended flight times for more fun in the air. Equipped with AS3X stabilization and optional SAFE Select technology, the model provides smooth, controlled flight, even in less than ideal conditions, making it suitable for a wide range of skill levels. The fixed landing gear allows for easy takeoffs and landings, while its lightweight, compact design makes it perfect for flying in parks, backyards, or small fields. Ideal for RC enthusiasts and warbird fans alike, the UMX Me2 6.2 offers a thrilling blend of scale realism, performance, and portability. Arrows, Pioneer 620mm, RT-F, compact, capable, and beginner-friendly. Priced at just $170, the Arrows, Pioneer 620mm, RT-F is a superb entry-level RC aircraft designed to help new pilots take flight with ease. This microbush plane features a classic high-wing configuration for stable, predictable handling. Perfect for beginners learning to fly in parks, fields, or backyards. Constructed from durable EPO foam and equipped with oversized balloon-style landing gear, the Pioneer handles rough terrain with confidence. It comes fully assembled with a pre-installed ESC and integrated flight control system, removing the guesswork from setup. SC3D 1.3 meters. Pure precision for 3D and sport flyers priced at $399. The E-Flight Extra 330. SC3D 1.3 meters is an advanced evolution of the beloved Extra 300, crafted for sport pilots and 3D aerobatic enthusiasts alike. This scale replica of the aerobatic champion flown by Jim Burke combines elite performance with eye-catching style. Enhanced with a reinforced motor mount and a specially tuned power system, it supports both 3S and 4S batteries. No modifications required. A redesigned, larger hatch with plastic edging improves durability and simplifies battery access while preventing paint wear. Equipped with an 85A Spectrum Avian Smart Light ESC, the Extra 330 SC delivers powerful performance along with real-time telemetry data for a smarter, more immersive flight experience. Stylish, versatile, and engineered for extreme aerobatics, this model is a top-tier choice for pilots who demand the best in both performance and design. FMS 64mm J10 EDF jet, precision and power in one package. Priced at $220, the FMS 64mm J10 EDF jet combines sleek design with high-performance engineering for an exhilarating RC flying experience. Its distinctive delta wing and canard configuration deliver outstanding control at both high speeds and agile, low-speed maneuvers. Powered by an 11-blade 64mm ducted fan driven by a 2,840 kilovolt brushless motor and a 40-ampere electronic speed controller, this jet produces an authentic jet engine sound while running on standard 4 Series batteries. High-detail features include detachable weapons, an air refueling probe, and CNC machined landing gear with shock absorption for added realism. Constructed from durable EPO foam with a water-resistant coating, the J10 offers exceptional durability and resilience. Experienced hobbyists can assemble this model in about 30 minutes.